Hey guys, welcome back to Sophie's Cooking Corner where love cooks. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to cook Jamaican rice and peas. So here I have my ingredients displaying. Here I have the rice. You can use whatever rice you choose. You can go ahead and use parboil or even brown rice, not a problem. But here I'm using white rice, and so I have salt. Yes, you're gonna need salt for flavor, and my all-purpose seasoning. I use this in everything, guys. Yes, the coconut milk. Here I have fresh coconut milk. The peas that I'm using, if you choose to, you can use the kidney bean. I love this one because, you know, the rice and peas comes out really red, you know, and pretty. Okay, so here again I have thyme, fresh thyme, scallion, or some people call it green onions. So here I have my ginger as well, 1 old Scotch bonnet pepper, and also garlic pegs. Okay, so we're gonna go straight ahead and start. So the next thing I'm gonna start by doing is go ahead and wash the peas. Then I'm gonna be adding that to the pressure cooker with water, the garlic and salt to be pressured. So guys, here on the stove is the peas with garlic and salt with water, and it's in the pressure cooker to be pressured, so you'll see me when it's all done. So guys, here over on the stove I had went ahead and my peas is finished pressuring. Yes guys, so here's the peas done pressuring. I transferred it to the pot in which I'm gonna be cooking, you know, my rice and peas, and I went ahead, I got my seasoning ready. So here I have the thyme, the Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, and the ginger, and I'm now gonna add it to the peas. Okay, so we call this seasoning up the peas. And yes, I have the coconut milk, and as well I'm gonna add the coconut milk just like that. Okay, just gonna give it a little stir. And then I'm gonna be seasoning with a little all-purpose. Yeah, so you can just go ahead and use your discretion in this case. Also, many people add, you know, a little brown sugar to their rice and peas. I don't do that, but if it's your choice, you can go ahead and just add a little brown sugar if you choose to. Okay, so guys, I tasted, it's a little bit fresh. Okay, and it's gonna need a little salt, so I'm just gonna put a little salt in this case. Okay, using my discretion. So that's perfect. Now I'm going to stir and then bring to a boil. Okay, I'm gonna cover as well and stay tuned for the next step. So guys, as you all see, I just finished, you know, seasoning up the peas, and now it's time for me to wash the rice. So guys, I am back again, and at this point I have the rice. I went ahead and I washed the rice, you know, and it's time for me to put the rice in the pot. So guys, while I was seasoning up the peas, I had forgotten to mention that you can go ahead and add your allspice. You know, Jamaican call it pimento seed. That's another name for it. You can crush a few, you know, seeds of allspice and add it So now all the rice is in. Just gonna give it a little stir. So yes guys, this smells so lovely. At this point I normally check to see if the fluid is at the right point or if it's too much. How do I do this? I use the same spoon and just stick it in the center of the rice and peas, just like that, or should I say the pot. And the way it's standing at this point, the fluid is great. Okay, if your spoon goes like this, the fluid is too much, and in that case your rice can comes out looking, you know, not shelly as Jamaican would say. It will be soft, too soft, and you don't want that. So in this case the fluid in this pot is perfect. My flame will be on a medium. So now I'm going to cover and leave the steam, and I'll see you back when I'm, you know, checking on the rice and peas. And don't forget guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification on as well, so that you can get notified as soon as I upload my videos. Anyways, stay tuned. Okay, so guys, I am back, you know, to check on the rice and peas, and as you all can see, it is looking beautiful. It is really looking beautifully. So now what I'm going to do is to use a 2-teeth fork, right? You can go ahead and use, you know, whatever fork you choose to, but make sure it's a fork, okay? So you can go through the rice and peas properly. So I'm just gonna, you know, just like that guys, and be very mindful of, you know, the scotch bonnet pepper that's in the rice. You don't want to break that open, and if you should, just simply remove it. Okay, so this is looking beautifully. In this case, if you choose to, you can have the option of, using a plastic wrap and just line the rice and peas with, or you can use foil paper, okay, because you want your rice and peas to come out really shelly, nice and shelly. See, it's looking really beautiful now guys. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna use foil paper to line the rice and peas, because you want your rice and peas to have a nice steaming, you know, a nice steam. Okay, you can use plastic wrap, or as I mentioned, the foil paper here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna cover and let, you know, the rice and peas steam for 30 minutes more, and then the next time you see me, it will definitely be at presentation. I hope you enjoy.